Hey everyone, it's that math magician, and happy Pi Day 2021. I thought it would be fun to make a quick video on the history of pi. Now we know today that pi is an irrational number, and it has an infinite amount of numbers after the decimal point. But we usually approximate pi to be 3.14. Now thanks to the Rhind Papyrus, an ancient Egyptian text, we know that ancient Egyptians had a way for approximating pi when finding the area of a circle. And they were very close when finding their approximation. The way they did this is that they would create a square that would go around the circle, and they would try to find the area of that square. Now today, we have an area formula for a circle. It is pi r squared, but they didn't have that back then. So their method was to build a square around that same circle and to find the area of the square. Now this is how they would do it. Given that circle with a radius of r, the text told them to take away 1/9 of its diameter. We're taking away 1/9 of the diameter to accommodate these corners here that we're not going to need when we're finding the area of the square, because these corner pieces aren't the area of the circle. So we got to take away 1/9 of its diameter. The diameter of our circle is 2r, or twice the radius. And when we take away 1/9, we're left with 8/9 of our diameter. Now this remaining side length that we have here, we're going to turn that into the side length for that square, which is going to have the same area as our circle. And to find the area of a square, we just have to square the side. And by squaring the side, we're going to end up with an approximation for the area of our circle. And when we square 8/9 times 2r, we're going to end up with 256/81 times r squared. And by looking at this expression here, we can compare it to our modern day formula for the area of a circle, which we have as pi r squared. We have pi next to the r squared. When the ancient Egyptians were finding their area of a circle, they had 256/81 next to r squared. So they were approximating pi to be 256/81, which is actually approximately 3.1605. They are very close to the actual answer for pi, which we approximate to be 3.14. It's fascinating to think that they were able to approximate for pi just by taking away 1/9 of the diameter of a circle.